Hi there. Today we're going to talk about transformations. Transformations are in geometry when we move shapes around. So the shapes stay the same, they just get moved around the plane or rotated. In your book, this is chapter 20 in the new edition, and it's on page 430 in the old edition of Text and Test 3. So the part that we're going to do today is transformation geometry, and it's the second part of the chapter. The first part was enlargements that we did last week when we made shapes bigger. So there's 4 types of transformation that we're going to look at: translation, axial symmetry, central symmetry, and rotation. We're going to look at what they look like, how to draw them, and in each case we start with an object, and the transformed object is called the image. So to do this, I'd like you to go to this website, and here you can play with the 4 different types of transformation. The first being translation, rotation, axial symmetry, and central symmetry. So you can play with those 4 types of rotation using this GeoBra link to do those transformations for you. So we'll do 3 of them here together. Slide it up 1 and across 3 squares. So to do that, we start with the point A, and we translate the point A, which is at 1, 3, up 1 square, which is up 1 on the Y, to 4, and across 3 squares, which is across 1, 2, 3. So the point is 4, 4, and this is A dash. We then do the same for C and B, and we draw these lines across, and we mark off the 3 points on the plane, and then we join up the 3 lines to make the image of our triangle, which is being slid along this line, up 1 and across 3. The second type of transformation is axial symmetry. And there's 2 types of axial symmetry here I'm going to show you. One is around the y-axis, which is where you mirror the image through the y-axis. And the way you do that is you draw a line from A across to the y-axis, and then the same distance again. And this is the point A dash. We do the same for C and B. And when we do that, we have the 3 points plotted on the plane, and we join them up to show the image, which is a mirror image in the y-axis. We can do the same around the x-axis. So again, we take each point or each vertex on the shape, and we draw it to the x-axis and draw it the same distance again. And when we plot the 3 points, the image we get is a mirror image in the x-axis of our object, which is this triangle. The third type of transformation is through a central point. In this case, we're going to do central symmetry through the point 0, 0 here. So to do symmetry through a point, we join up each vertex. We join a line from the vertex to the point and the same distance again. And we do the same for each point on the shape. When we've done that, where it lands is the point on the image. So this is the image of A. This is C dash. This is B dash. And this is A dash. So this is the image through central symmetry through the point 0, 0. Now I'd like you to do questions in your book in that second section. So if you try questions 1, 3, 5 and 6. This is question 1. You can pause the video if you wanted to have a look at it. Question 3 and 5. And this is question 6.